Last one. Oh, it's like you gonna say the minutes?
Yeah.
I want
Okay.
as well.
Right.
As well.
So,
Ooh. Action. Oh, I like that.
oh, you have to wait.
Wait. Okay.
SRJ.
Initials.
How do we look at them? Like the way I put them here? Like that? Yeah?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. Hello, hi, this is Stella, one of my friends. She's a vegan and she's gonna tell us today what is the benefits of being a vegan. And Stella, you want to start telling us how long have you been a vegan vegetarian?
Well, I have been vegetarian for 20 years, over 20 years, but I decided to go vegan about 6 months ago.
Thank you very much, Stella, for that answer. Great. Can you tell us now what is the difference between a vegetarian and a vegan person, please?
So, a vegetarian person doesn't eat any meat, and a vegan person doesn't eat any products that are animal-based and that come from animals. For example, milk, cheese.
Tell us, Stella, what do we have here?
Well, we have got a range of vegan products here. This is just like a random selection. Most of it is just fruit and vegetables, because being vegan for me means eating plants instead of eating animals.
Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? Bueno, ustedes saben que acabo de empezar con esto de los vlogs y ahora voy a consultarle a mis amigas qué es lo que no les gusta de mis vlogs. Ya nos vemos. This is Svetlana. I know you know her. So Svetlana, tell me what you don't like about my videos.
What I don't like about your videos,
Yes.
it's when you're switching on those black and white. Yeah, and all the rest about your videos, I really like it. They're so lovely.
Sorry, so here we have Aggie. Aggie, tell me now what you don't like about my videos.
Well, Maria, I think you've got amazing voice and keep it that way. I'm not a fan of changing the tone of the voice. Well, also the subtitles, they go sometimes too fast, so I need some more time to go through it, to read it in English.
The only thing I don't like is that I don't understand Spanish, but at the same time, this is something I really like about your videos, because my daughter loves Spanish, and now if she listens to your videos, she might learn from you, and she would like to talk to you in Spanish, and she would like to improve. So for that reason, I love that they are Spanish, but because I don't understand, I don't like that bit.